Namaste students, I am D. Lovaraju, Department of Chemistry. I am very glad to present this video on the topic coordination compounds from the Part 2 textbook recommended for Grade 12 CBSE. The presentation focuses on the learning outcomes and in-depth explanation of the topic. Shall we start the second video?
The topic is coordination compounds and the learning outcomes are definition of isomerism, types of isomerism and examples for isomerism. At first, isomerism. Two or more compounds that have the same chemical formula but a different arrangement of atoms are known as isomers. Due to this difference in the arrangement of atoms, coordination compounds predominantly exhibit two types of isomerism, namely stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. At first, structural isomerism. Structural isomerism is exhibited by the coordination compounds having the same chemical formula but a different arrangement of atoms. These are further divided into four types. Those are linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, ionization isomerism, solvate isomerism or hydrate isomerism. Second one, stereoisomerism. Coordination compounds which have the same chemical bonds but have different spatial arrangement are known as stereoisomers. These are further divided into two types, optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. At first, linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism is the existence of coordination compounds that have the same composition differing with the connectivity of the metal to a ligand. That means differ in the atom of a ligand bonded to the metal in the complex. Ambident ligands are the examples for linkage isomers. What are ambident ligands? They differ in the atom of a ligand bonded to the metal in the complex. Ambident ligands examples are NO2 and ONO, cyanide and isocyanate, thiocyanate and isothiocyanate. In thiocyanate and isothiocyanate, the sulfur is the connecting atom between the central metal atom and the ligand. Similarly, in isothiocyanate, nitrogen is the connecting atom between the central metal atom and the ligand. In the given examples, CONH3 5ONO, that means oxygen is the connecting atom between cobalt and the ligand NO2, due to that which is present in red color. In another example, CONH3 5NO2, the connecting atom is nitrogen, due to that it is present in yellow color. The first reported example of linkage isomerism at the formula CONH3 5NO2 2+. The cationic cobalt complex exists in two separable linkage isomers. In the yellow colored isomer, the nitro ligand is bound through nitrogen. In the red linkage isomer, the nitrito is bound through one oxygen atom. The O bonded isomer is often written as CONH3 5 times ONO 2+. The formation of the nitro isomer CONO2 from the nitrito isomer COONO occurs by an intramolecular rearrangement. Coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism is a form of structural isomerism in which the composition of the complex ion varies. In a coordination isomer, the total ratio of ligand to metal remains the same, but the ligands attached to a specific metal ion change. In this isomerism, coordination isomers require at least two metal ions and sometimes more. That means in coordination isomerism, the interchange of ligands between the cationic and anionic entities of different metal ions present in the coordination compounds takes place. For example, CONH3 6 CrCN 6. In this example, the ligand ammonia connected through cobalt and cyanide connected through chromium, whereas CrNH3 6 times, COCN 6 times, NH3 connected through chromium and cyanide connected through cobalt. That means the interchange of ligands between the cationic and anionic entities of different metal ions present in the coordination compounds takes place. Ionization isomerism. In this isomerism, the exchanging of ions takes place from counter ion to coordination sphere and from coordination sphere to counter ion. For example, pentaamine bromo cobalt sulfate, that is CONH3 5 times Br SO4, and pentaamine sulfate cobalt bromide, that is CONH3 5 times SO4 Br. In the first compound, the bromide ion is coordinated to the cobalt plus 3 ion and the sulfate ion is outside of the coordination sphere. In the second compound, the sulfate ion occurs within the coordination sphere and the bromide ion is out of the coordination sphere. And first compound will give test with BaCl2 because it is having counter ion SO4. Similarly, the second compound will give the test with AgNO3 because here counter ion is bromide. With BaCl2, first compound will form BaSO4 precipitate. Similarly, with AgNO3, the second compound will form AgBr. By using this reaction, we can separate ionization isomers. Solvate or hydration isomerism, which is also known as hydrate isomerism. The isomers which have the same composition but differ with respect to the number of solvent ligand molecules as well as the counter ion in the crystal lattice. That means solvate isomerism is a special case of ionization isomerism in which compounds differ depending on the number of the solvent molecules directly bonded to the metal ion. If the difference happened with water molecules, then the isomerism is known as hydration isomerism or hydrate isomerism. For example, CrH2O 6 times Cl3, inside of the coordination sphere 6 water molecules are present, which is in violet color. COH2O 5 times Cl outside Cl2 dot H2O, which is blue green. COH2O 4 times Cl2 outside Cl dot to H2O, which is dark green, and COH2O thrice Cl3 outside 3H2O, which is colorless, because the number of water molecules are changing in between the coordination sphere and counter ion, as well as the ions, particularly chloride ions, are changing in the counter ions. Stereoisomers. Isomers that have the same bonds but different spatial arrangements are called stereoisomers, and the phenomena is known as stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of two types. First one, geometrical isomerism. Second one, optical isomerism. First one, geometrical isomerism. We find this type of isomerism in heteroleptic complexes. The main reason behind this would be the multiple geometric arrangements of ligands around the central metal atom. Coordination compounds with the coordination number of 4 and 6 mainly exhibit this type of isomerism. In case of disubstituted complexes, the substituted groups could either be adjacent or opposite to each other, This leads to geometric isomerism. Thus, we can prepare square planar complexes such as platinum NH3 4 times Cl2 in two forms. Those are cis and trans. When the chlorine atoms are adjacent to each other, we get the cis form, while when two chlorine atoms are opposite, we get the trans form. In the given example, chlorines are present in green color and ammonia molecules are present in blue color. So both the chlorines are adjacent to each other in the picture number 1. So that is cis isomer. Whereas in trans isomer, both the chlorines are present opposite to each other, that is trans form. Similarly, in COH2O 4 times Cl2, the chlorine atoms are present in green color and water molecules are present in red color. So in the cis isomer, chlorine atoms are present adjacent to each other, whereas in trans form, the chlorine atoms are present opposite to each other. Geometrical isomerism is mainly observed in coordination compounds having coordination numbers equal to 4 and 6. At first, geometrical isomerism of complexes with coordination number 4. The first model is ML4 type or MA4 type. That means all the ligands are same. ML4 type or MA4 type tetrahedral complexes do not show cis and trans isomerism because all the ligands are same and all the ligands are in different directions. MA2B2 model or MX2L2 model, where X and L, that means A and B, are unidentate ligands. The two ligands A could either be adjacent to each other in a cis isomer or opposite to each other to form a trans isomer. In platinum NH3 twice Cl2, if both the chlorines are adjacent to each other, then that isomer is known as cis isomer. If both the chlorines are present opposite to each other, that is trans isomer. MABCD type, it has three geometrical isomers. In this, one of the ligand is stable and remaining all the three ligands, they will change their positions in clockwise direction. Due to that, we are able to get the three possible geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomerism of complexes with coordination number 6. The first model is ML6 type or MA6 type. ML6 type octahedral complex does not show geometrical isomerism because all the ligands are same and all the ligands are in different directions. So it does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. MA5B type model. MA5B type model octahedral complex does not show geometrical isomerism since all 5 ligands are same and all the ligands are in different directions. So geometrical isomerism is not possible with MA5B model. MA2B4 complex. MA2B4 complex shows cis and trans isomerism. In this complex, two different types of ligands are present. Those are chlorine atoms and ammonia molecules. If both the chlorine atoms are adjacent to each other, that is known as cis isomer. If both the chlorine atoms are present opposite to each other, that is trans isomer. Cis isomer can exhibit mirror image, whereas trans isomer cannot give or cannot exhibit mirror image. MA3B3 complex. MA3B3 complex shows facial and meridional isomerism. This type of geometrical isomerism occurs in octahedral coordination entities of the type MA3B3. If three donor atoms of the same ligands occupy adjacent positions at the corners of an octahedral face, it is called facial, that is fake isomer. When the positions are around the meridian of the octahedron, it is called meridional isomer, that is mer isomer. Ma2B2C2 type complex. In Ma2B2C2 type complex, the following 5 geometrical isomers are possible. First one, AA trans. In this isomer, A and A are in opposite positions to each other. BB and CC are in cis positions. Second one, BB trans. B and B are in trans positions. Remaining A and C are in cis positions. CC trans, that means CC are in trans positions, BB and AA are in cis positions. All cis, that means AA, BB and CC all are in cis positions to each other. All trans, that means AA, BB and CC all are in trans positions to each other. Ma2B2CD type complex. In this, trans A, trans B means A are in trans positions, B are in trans positions. Trans A cis B, A are in trans positions, B are in cis positions. Cis A trans B, that means A are in cis positions and B are in trans positions. Cis A cis B, that means A as well as BB are in cis positions. Ma2BCDE type complex. In this complex, the following structures are possible. Finally, in octahedral complexes, Ma6 and Ma5B do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Ma4B2 type complex is having cis and trans isomers. Ma3B3 is having facial and meridional isomers. MAA-B2 type complex is having cis and trans isomers. MABCDEF is having 15 isomers. MAB thrice is having cis and trans isomers, and Ma2B2C2 is having 5 isomers. Optical isomerism. The isomers which forms non-superimposable mirror image is known as optical isomers or enantiomers. These are of two types. The isomer that rotates plane polarized light towards clockwise direction is dextro or DR plus isomer. The isomer that rotates plane polarized light to anti-clockwise direction is levo isomer or L or minus isomer. The equimolar mixture of D and L isomers is known as racemic mixture. Most of the physical and chemical properties of optical isomers are identical. The properties of two optical isomers differ only if they are in a chiral environment, that is, one in which there is a sense of right and left-handedness. For example, in the presence of a chiral enzyme, the reaction of one optical isomer might be catalyzed, whereas the other isomer would remain totally unreacted. Consequently, one optical isomer may produce a specific physiological effect within the body, whereas its mirror image produces a different effect or none at all. Optical isomers are usually distinguished from each other by their interaction with plane polarized light. Enantiomers possesses many identical properties like solubility, melting point, boiling point, color and chemical reactivity. Interactions with plane polarized light in optical isomerism. By passing through a sheet of polarized film, the light waves are vibrating in a single plane. as shown in figure. If the polarized light is passed through a solution containing one optical isomer, the plane polarization is rotated either to the right, that means clockwise direction, or to the left, that means counterclockwise, that is anti-clockwise direction. The isomer that rotates the plane polarization to the right side is said to be dextrorotatory. It is labeled the dextro or D isomer. Its mirror image rotates the plane of polarization to the left. It is said to be levorotatory and is labeled the LEVO or L isomer. The major requirement for the optical isomerism is bidentate ligand. In the given example type MAA3, AA is a bidentate ligand. For example, COEN3 3+. The isomer of COEN3 3+ on the left in figure is found experimentally to be the D isomer of this ion. Its mirror image is the L isomer. Because of their effect on plane polarized light, chiral molecules are said to be optically active. Type MAA to BC, where AA is a bidentate ligand and B and C are unidentate ligands. In the figure, the first isomer is dextrorotatory and second isomer, which is mirror image of first isomer, which is levorotatory. Type MAA2B2C2. AA is a bidentate ligand, B and C are unidentate ligands. So, in the given example, EN is a bidentate ligand and ammonia and chlorine are unidentate ligands. Here also dextrorotatory and levorotatory isomers are possible. Type MAA twice B2. AA is a bidentate ligand, BB is a unidentate ligand. Here also dextro and levo isomers are possible along with cis isomer. Trans form of MAA to B2 does not show optical isomerism. Type MAA2BC, where AA is bidentate ligand, B and C are unidentate ligand. Here also, along with D and L isomer, cis isomers also possible. MAA-B2C2 type. Again, AA is a bidentate ligand, B2 and C2 are unidentate ligands.
Dear students, hope you have appreciated the presentation on the topic coordination compounds. We shall deal with the next video on the same topic in our next session. Thank you.